Hey everybody, welcome back. Okay, so we have cooked down the pozole. Um, Everything has cooked down. I have not yet used the immersion blender. Let's see if you can see chunks of the pepper and the onion. All of the meat is out. Got all the bay leaves out. And I've got the pork out, and I'm going to be using the immersion blender in just a second. I want to show you what I'm doing with the pork. So here's my immersion blender. We have a Cuisinart. It's a really good one. Love it. Actually bought it for my husband, and I think I use it more. Here's the pork that I'm going to be shredding, and here are the toppings. So we have cabbage, radishes, lime, cilantro, and avocado. And you don't have to put all of those on there, or you can put more stuff on there. You can put cheese if you want. You can put sour cream. But these are the usual toppings for pozole. I have the hominy rinsing in the sink, and I'm going to be adding that. And I will show you that as I go. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to be using the immersion blender, so it's going to be a little bit loud for a minute. Trying to be really careful. We're blending everything together. Finish this, and then I will bring you back. Okay, so I have finished using the immersion blender. I'm just going to put it here for a second, and I'm going to take you over to the sink. Look at how smooth that looks. It tastes amazing. It smells amazing. This is awesome. I'm going to take you to the sink, show you the hominy before I put it in. Okay, here is the hominy. I am going to go ahead and put the hominy in the sauce. There we go. Stir it in there. That's a whole number 10 can. And you can see it's a little bit thick. Looks really good. So once I put the meat in there, then it will be done, and we can serve it with the toppings. So I will show you guys the end result. Oh, I see a pepper in there. Okay. Oops. I will show you guys the end result in just a little bit. I'm going to let this cook a little bit more, and then I will bring you back for the end result. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.